Hey guys, hope you are doing well and you are alive in this bloody day. So after the yesterday Fed FOMC meeting, everything just turned to greed, the market pumped, and today also the stock market and the crypto market just crashed. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, let's go and let's check what's happening out there, what's happening on our favorite bubble chart. But before that, smash those like and push the bell notification all. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like helping out the YouTube algorithm. So guys, let's go and check. So this is not a financial advice, just we are talking about the news and markets. So bloody day. Bitcoin down 8%, Ethereum down 6.4%, and yes, Hex is down 11%, GMT 17%, GATA 14%. So you see most of the altcoins are down on an average 10%. So this is huge. I don't see any green coin in the top 100. So guys, let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 27, but this is a lagging indicator, so it will be updated in 2 hours. We'll see what's happening out there, but for sure that it will drop back to 20 and around 20 in the extreme fear zone, as we are here since November last year, and the market is getting really shaky. Investors are losing faith, they are leaving the market, the sentiment is bearish, is fearful, but you know, when everybody is just worrying, that could be a good buying opportunity, and when everybody is greedy, then it's due for a correction. Okay, so our first news is today that not this but another one. Bitcoin drops to 35,500 US dollar as 1,000 point down correction marks the worst trading day since 2020. So this is the worst capitulation kind of trading days since March 2020. So what's happening out there? Bears rule until 37,500 is reclaimed. But also we dipped as low as 35,500. Okay, then I'm assuming we will test 39,000 again, as there is a big gap between under 37,500. Nothing to say about bullish perspective. So there is nothing to say about bullish perspective, but we have these previous monthly closes and opens at 35,000 US dollar. Wouldn't be surprised to see volatility around red throughout May. Must close above red is what the most important to confirm reclaim of a red as support. And will whales hold the keys support level? This is a big question. So now we have this support and this support lost, but maybe if we are closing the day below these support levels above 36,800 at least, that could be a sign that the support is still intact. Now a similar resistance has appeared at 43,300 due to a similar sized whale wallet. This should be our midterm resistance if BTC gets there, but we are far away, so that the new resistance is 33,300, and there is a big whale maybe wants to take some profits. So Bitcoin celebrates halfway to the halving with new hash rate record. So guys, the good news amongst the so many bad news, that the Bitcoin network is still working properly, and we are on a halfway to the halving. So halfway to the halving, and you see before the first halving, the Bitcoin mined per block 50 and then 25, 12.5, 6.25. This is what now, and it will drop to 3.125. okay, Bitcoin halving history and price 150 days later. So you see that what an increase price that's happened after the halving, and also this is the chart, and you see Bitcoin price in gray, and this is the orange is the hash rate, and you see hash rates are at all-time highs, and price and hash rates used to go in hand, but now they decoupled since the drop from since November. So let's go and check our next news. Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, but Binance commits 500 million, so $500 million to co-invest in Twitter with Elon Musk. So let's see what else do we have. So they co-invested, not just Elon Musk, but also Sequoia Capital and Fidelity Management and Research Company. So they co-invested together, altogether 18 co-investors in the acquisition that Elon Musk not just bought up Twitter alone, but other 80 co-investors, and that's a good sign that Binance is there and Fidelity is there. So veteran trader Tom Weiss issues Bitcoin alert, says critical low incoming. So Tom Weiss is always bearish. Now he's talking about the likely dead cat bounce. So let's quote, I am not putting that much stock into this orange arrow. I don't think it's all that critical, definitely not like this one was. So we will wait and see. Right now this is looking like a nice dead cat bounce, and most likely will turn the price of BTC down. Yes, that's happened. All the technical analysis is pointing to lower prices. Fundamentally, I'm always bullish on Bitcoin, and it can break out at any minute, but technical analysis is telling me that this green candle up is just a dead cat bounce, and we should have one more critical up. So he's talking about, this is a 4-day chart, and he's talking about these dead cat bounce and huge drop. So this is happened. And also he's talking the major resistance at 41,000 US dollar area. I remain bearish in this daily chart as well. So okay, I'm neither bullish nor bearish at the moment. Yeah, so we'll see, but the price dipped below what he just predicted here. Okay, next piece of news is, what's this? Which is our, okay, yeah, so this is the next piece of news. This Bitcoin is the least risky thing to have in a retirement portfolio, says MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor. So to call it digital gold is an understatement. It really is that hardest money in the history of world. But if you are thinking about generational wealth, and if you wanted to leave something for your grandchildren, or if you wanted a retirement fund, it's obviously a very, very compelling element of a 401k. What have I wanted to hold? Some kind of commodity money that's better than a commodity, because no one can make any more of it, and Bitcoin is that thing. The 401k launch was kind of the shoot heard around the world here, because what's going on here is people are going to have to stop and think about this, and either this is at least risky thing you can put in a retirement portfolio, or it too risky to put in a retirement portfolio. So the least risky or the too risky, so whichever you think, you can decide. Okay, Fidelity is a massive educational event around Bitcoin and this retirement portfolio. It's going to put this front and center on the table for financial advisors, retirement planners, to entire big finance industry, and I think ultimately it's going to introduce Bitcoin to an entirely new class of investors and broaden the asset class. So this is definitely true, and if these potential retirement investors will realize Bitcoin, then also they will wanna buy it. Okay, next piece of news is top crypto trader says altcoins are ready to pop, outlines what's ahead for Bitcoin. So I think this was before the drop. Seems likely to me that the altcoin market capitalization is going to grow approximately 25-35% in the coming months as critical support holds. So this is from Crypto Michael, but the critical support I think has broken for now. So this is how fast things changing in crypto. Bitcoin looking at higher lows. As long as we stay above 48,000, everything looks fine for further continuation. Okay, so we failed this. Well, that's dropping fast here, and now the liquidity ban as the lows have been taken by the Bitcoin price action. Level that has been reclaimed is the zone at 37,500 as the previous support zone. So actually we failed to hold this support, and this is not a good news. So I think this altcoin pump is postponed for now. Coinbase uses Goldman Sachs first Bitcoin backed loan product. And the next piece of news is talking about this. Coinbase work with Goldman is a first step in the recognition of crypto as collateral, which deepens the bridge between the fiat and the crypto economies. So this is not a first time. We also heard about that several banks are taking Bitcoin as collateral, and also MicroStrategy took out a loan, but this is that Coinbase uses Goldman Sachs. Next piece of news is Gucci, the latest luxury brand to accept crypto payments in a store. So they will accept 12 cryptocurrencies, and also they started to educate the staff how to deal with crypto, and also employees have started undertake training and education on crypto, non-fungible tokens and Web3 in preparation for launch. So also they are partnering with the Bored Ape Club and also with Pudgy Penguins. So they are moving to the sandbox, the NFT land, and many others to come. And crypto is a really appreciated asset within the luxury industry. Next piece of news is Germany gets friendlier for crypto, easy staking and lending laws. So there is a law that is in the taxation for lending and staking. So I think after 1 year they remove this 10-year holding period, and they changed it to 1 year. So if you are staking and earning from lending, that after 1 year you don't have to pay any taxes if you are living in Germany. In the case of economic goods within the meaning of sentence one, from the use of which as a source of income is generated at least in 1 calendar year, the period increases to 10 years. So Germany aims to become crypto hub. Cool. Next piece of news is another bank from France to offer Bitcoin buy, sell and hodl services to its customers. So buy, back, sell and hodl. The bank recently obtained its registration as this payment provider, or was this digital asset service provider. Europe is moving towards crypto adoption. So great news. Let's just see Germany and France is moving forward. Guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler on Twitter, also at Corion platform, and definitely follow at laserpunk_gats. So big NFT news. Starbucks is going to start offering NFTs to their customers. huge NFT adoption, crypto adoption. So smash those like and also retweet this. So definitely check out our daily news, and also follow Laserpunk Guts and share everything that Laserpunk is doing. Cool. So 27,000 US or Bitcoin would be the max pain. A lot of stop losses there at those levels, so this would be the max pain, but I'm not sure that will happen if this cascade will continue. And that was the news yesterday from Paul Tudor Jones, the billionaire, that he is bullish on crypto. So give a like and also share this. No, let's go back. Cool, guys. Definitely, if you are holding CorionX ERC20 version of Binance Smart Chain version, go to PancakeSwap and Uniswap, provide some liquidity, and then lock up your LPs and earn a juicy 330% APRs. And also, let's go and join our Telegram channel, and you find here some posts that what will happening with the Laserpunk NFT launchpad that CorionX is incubating, and also CorionX stakers, liquidity providers will get a drone and get whitelist spaces. So this is definitely important to look, and also let's follow Laserpunk and push everything that is about Laserpunks and CorionX in the social media. So guys, let's go and check some charts. So Bitcoin looking really badly. It seems that it's breaking this resistance, actually failed to break this resistance, and that was a fake out and just bounced back, and also broke the support zone, and now we are traded below the support zone. But if we would close above the support zone, then maybe the dump will not continue immediately, but tomorrow there is options expiry, so I expect a volatile trading session, but the bullish divergence is not so sharply but still intact. So let's go and check Ethereum holding a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. So Ethereum dropped not below those levels that also it dropped, yeah, so almost the same levels it dropped previously, but also failed this breakout. So this is a failed breakout that we see here. So yes, so this is a failed breakout for now. So guys, this is for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Smash those like, push the bell, notification on, and also let's go and farm some CorionX, and follow me and CorionX and Laserpunk on Twitter, and let's join our movement. Thank you for watching and listening. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.